Let them prepare as they said that they will kill me. Ready. These are bullets. Can you see? These are bullets in the bush. Let them show me the bullets. These are poisoned all over, attempting to kill me. I'm still alive. I can't be threatened by anybody. I respect them, but I don't fear. You can find out from my colleagues, I don't fear. If they want to use that chance that I retired in the army, yes, but I'm still alive. Chinyamatama, 10 years in parliament, no word, instead you attack Azake. Did the people in Iraq send you to attack your fellow MPs? The only word they had from Chinyamatama, attacking Izake. Javira, have you ever said a word? Let's go to the parliament and bring those tapes where you said I defended people in Rakai. Don't people in Rakai have problems? Today I happened to meet somebody whom I will not tell you the names. He said, Kayanja, people, he's a very big person, a PS, who just visited, he went for burial. And reaching there, people start talking about Kayanja. He said, what Kayanja did for you? Talk about Zukuka. I don't know whether you people, pressmen, you have ever heard about Zukuka. People were dying of hunger in Rakai. I said, what is this? I had planted more than 30 acres of cassava. They stole all of it. I said, let them eat instead of dying. I said, what should I do for these people? I opened up an NGO called Zukuka. In English means wake up. Supplied all the seeds, supplied all the cuttings, we fought hunger. Others managed to buy vehicles. But now you hear the president is running left, right, UPDM, being stolen, being taken. I started it long time ago as Kayanja. I told the Gombola chief, you can ask her, she's a lady, that if you want to steal, don't attempt to steal the man of Chifama sub-county where I come from. You steal. But they were protected and they stole money. I have all the details, I have all the information given to me by the same sub-county chief. $1 million, you are giving them $500,000. The rest in Tibazayambisiza Mukube Papula. Ulira. We need to do something. It's my humble request. This thing is not happening in Rakai. It has happened in Rwengo, Masaka, Kalungu. Today I've had Kalungu. I didn't expect Kalungu to have the same. But now the MP there, the lady, she's protected. Because I was one of those opposed to her to say, I will not stand for the movement, I will come independently. Whom she had already assisted. The danger. She's a very clever. This Minister of Water, she's called Sechindi. She's very, very clever. The president should really maintain her. She made an assessment ahead. I said, I'm still a movement. I will stand for the movement, but not in this vurugu. This thing is everywhere. Why don't we really sympathize with the president? President that is in Busega market, a president? Where are we? Where are these ministers? President to reach a stage of going to Busega. For what? And where are they? And what are they doing? I'm not a minister, and I don't wish that I should be one. No. I'm there for the people. I will hear people's voice. I've not stepped in Rakai since they finished the elections. They are calling me left, right. Because they want to demonstrate. They say, we want to demonstrate when you are here. You are the one who has been telling us why you fought. You have been telling us how safe the movement is. We have been voting movement because of your words. Calm down. Come down here and tell us. People being beaten, sticks, full of the so-called drones. Where is the police? Because if I go to Rakai, I'm going to attack 5 people. 5. RDC should answer me. If I'm born there and I'm a general, I will use those 2 positions. Him to answer me. He had attempted saying that he's the head of security and he's head of elections. Since when? Why did we have the district registrar? DPC, where were you? These are the people, the 5 I'm going to ask questions. Diesel, what did you do? For them, they're supposed to do things separately. Yes, but it's high time to give us their reports. Don't go far. Don't go far. Ask the diesel. We should look for the diesel of that district or the Director General Internal Security. I'm really requesting you humbly. Look for the Director General of Internal Security Organization. Are you aware that volcano is there and so killing people right now? I looked a fool. That's the only thing that defeated me in my intelligence, whatever. I looked a fool. I said, I don't know. See, people are dying, you are sleeping. To find out, this is not there, that he went for holiday. To find out to the Giso, that the Giso is not aware. Can you imagine? President State House is aware, but the people on the ground, they are not aware. It defeated my mind, and I knew the president has intelligence. Let him use that his own personal intelligence. This thing that doesn't need to take 3 days because their staff is responsible to answer the 5. Let them give us their independent report. If they give me report and I'm satisfied, I will come and apologize. I promise. I will come and apologize. If I look at their report and satisfied, people are showing us results. 52, 152. 28, 328. Ma, people are stupid. This was an opening voting. People lining up. Everybody is seeing. It was a very, very good voting. Where the people are 2 in line and you make it 200, whom are they fooling? But the 5, they are the people fooling everybody. I'm after the 5. Before I deal with Nyamatama and his colleague, 5 they answerable to the government. And if I'm part of this government, and if I shed blood in this government, I request them they should get it out before I reach Rakai. I'm ready to face anything because of my people. My mother, she slept crying. My mother, 90 years, crying on the phone when I called her. She kanja bino biki nange nawe avudde nengenda mu ekifamba nonde nkuba akalulu twasimbye mu line simanyi babadde 270 mbameka ate oli yafunye 0 ate kukakana kyafunye 5 mama wange emyaka 9 naye nakiraba nga omuntu takiraba atambulira ku migo akirabye nze ngane bajja kunziika ne maama wange manyi ekiŋŋaanya ogendayo agenda kusobola tunula nga ndabi anaye nti bulijjo oŋŋamba nti mwalwana ebyo bye byabalwanya bulijjo oŋŋamba nammwe baafu ebyo bye byabatta. We are not going to allow this to happen. We are just studying it. It's just a matter of time. I'm born from Rakai. We have been getting 90 plus for the movement. People are calling me left, right, that I should not blame them when they go to know. Because they have seen there is a problem within the movement. Movement to movement, you kill each other. Movement to movement, you slash somebody. Who is for Javira? Stupid. Javira. He stands and starts abusing me. It is the whole district. Chifamba sub-county where general comes, it's full of noob. Thank you, Javira. You have so many people who are supporting you. You have bags and bags of money, which I don't know where you got it. Where did you get that money? Kinyamatama, millions and millions you are dashing. Bags and bags. You never campaigned even a single rally. That's what I was told. But you have support of the RDC. Threatening everybody. You must give Kinyamatama. You give or you don't give, she will pass through. I'm the RDC. Woo! Obote, Wakasisi, Nyamurunga, they were there. But where are they? 27 guns, money to remove them.